Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to make Google Chrome automatically open PDF files instead of downloading them. If you often find yourself opening PDFs right after they download, this one small tweak will save you time and clicks. Let's dive straight in. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this on your computer or laptop. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. Once Chrome is open, head to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. That's the menu icon where most of Chrome's settings are stored. Next, from the drop-down list that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can control everything from your home page to your privacy options. Now scroll down a bit and look for the Download section. On some versions of Chrome, you might need to click Privacy and Security or use the search bar at the top to find downloads faster. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on Downloads. Inside the Download settings, you'll see a toggle switch for automatically open PDFs. This is the key setting we're after. By default, Chrome usually saves PDFs to your computer without opening them. But if you flip this switch on, Chrome will automatically open any PDF file in a new browser tab as soon as it finishes downloading.